Welcome everyone to this debate. We have 4 participants and 2 teams, Team A and Team B. In Team A there are Aritro and Shreyansh, and in Team B there are Ishan and Shibram. The topic is holiday homework should be abolished. Team A is going to speak for the topic and Team B is going to speak against the topic. Whether homework should be given on holidays has been a subject of debate since long. Let us see what our participants have to say in this regard. Thank you.
Good day everyone. I am Aritro Banerjee and today I am going to speak for the motion holiday homework should be abolished. Holiday is for our refreshment and enjoyment. On holidays, if we are busy with our homework, then we will not be able to enjoy. Throughout the year, we get very few days as our holiday. Homework dampens the spirit of holiday. Homework can affect both students' physical and mental health. Too much homework can result in lack of sleep, headaches, exhaustion and weight loss, and homework can distract students from enjoying their leisure. Homework pressure hinders on the growth of the students. Students do not get free time to play and spend time with their family on holidays. Homework develops anxiety among the students. That's all everyone. Thank you.
So, hello guys, today I am going to talk about the topic why homework should not be abolished. Homework improves presentation skills. Diligent students do their best to impress their teachers in the classroom. Such present checking and though preparation is very important for building better presentation skills. Children learn much new information additionally. Apart from the direct assignment execution, students need to research many sources to complete it profoundly. That helps to get additional knowledge and become more intelligent. It teaches important life skills. When we say that students do their homework, we implement many meanings in this phrase. Pupils learn to manage time efficiently, set priorities and improve self-discipline. That is a good preparation for future career and meetings deadlines set by teachers. Homework is a remedy against weakness. Something that was not understood by a student at the lesson can be analyzed by him at home. Again, homework gives students a chance to improve, acquire new skills and stand out among other learners. It keeps students busy. If teenagers would have too much time for leisure activities, the probability is there that they will use their leisure inappropriately. Being busy with tasks, they do not waste their time and spend it with the unmatched benefit. Thank you.
Homework should be abolished. Homework had always been associated with school, but recently its usefulness has been doubted. Students spend 8 hours in a day at school, not counting those in co-curricular activity. This brings up age-old argument of whether a homework should be abolished or it is beneficial and should stay. Homework should be abolished because it does not guarantee that student understands the subject, it increases the stress level and it does not significantly affect the test score. Thank you.
Good day everybody. Why homeworks should not be abolished. Home environment can be more productive for some pupils than a classroom one. Not all children are capable of coping with tension that appears in the classroom because of different reasons such as time limits, scolding other students, noise, etc. That is why a home can have a more productive atmosphere as there is no competition, restrictions, and one can learn material at his own pace in the place where he feels comfortable and relaxed. A necessity to do and check homework makes parents more involved in studies. Sometimes children may have troubles with some topics or even subjects, and difficulties with homework can be a ringing bell to provide assistance to the child. Moreover, it encourages parents to communicate with their children more. Homework boosts interaction between students and teachers. Homework is done for different purposes, but one of them is improved interaction between learners and educators. Students not only ask questions but also visit after class activities to be able to deal with it themselves. The obligation to repeat the material learned at the lesson contributes to its better memorizing and understanding. It inculcates in the students a sense of responsibility. When they are given assignments on a regular basis, they develop a sense of responsibility and punctuality. These qualities can be very useful eventually. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for watching this program. This has been an amazing debate. Thank you.